Since 1968, Krah AG has been manufacturing machines for the production of large plastic pipes using the self-developed Krah spiral winding process. With our dedicated team of over 150 employees, our headquarters in Schutzbach, Germany, and our regional offices worldwide, we are able to support our customers through the whole planning and installation process. From the delivery of the newly purchased machinery until the commission and first weeks of production. Moreover, we have a network of sales representatives all over the world in order to guarantee a fast and efficient support of our customers, regardless of time zone and culture. The production of pipes made on the Krah machines is designed to meet the requirements of the present national and international norms and standards. The KR series machines have been steadily improved, and along with the recently launched DR pressure pipe production machine, they are the latest development from Krah AG. The main characteristics of the KR series are high production output, high flexibility, tele-maintenance, simple operation, and the varied applications of the products. Needing very little space, low investment, and no additional machines, complete piping systems, including fittings and manholes, can be produced and supplied. They are designed to meet the requirements for an economical and environmentally friendly pipe production. The main advantage of the KR series is that only one machine is necessary to produce pipes with nominal internal diameters ranging from 300 mm to 4 meters. So the customer decides which diameters are needed to satisfy the market requirements and purchases only the necessary production tools for these diameters. This allows the customer the optimum choice of equipment, with the possibility to upgrade the machinery later by purchasing production tools in other diameters. Such an upgrade does not require any modifications to the machine. Moreover, the machine is able to produce several kinds of profile pipes as well as solid wall pipes in all stiffness classes according to DIN 16961 and ISO 9969. The construction of the machine has been steadily advanced and improved in order to reduce investment costs and, of course, to improve quality. Furthermore, Krah has fully or partially automated the manufacturing steps in order to prevent mistakes and delays caused by manual work. We ensure that all installation parts are manufactured to be robust and durable, so the production plant will have a long lifetime. To increase flexibility, all parts of our production line can be installed and dismantled in a very short time. This means quick plant installation near the project site, which allows pipe production on the spot, thus reducing transportation costs. By transferring our experience and know-how to our customers, complete production technology is smoothly integrated into the existing company. Our technicians have been specially trained for working abroad. We are happy to offer training courses in all subjects relating to the production of plastic pipes, whether it is in technical or commercial fields, installation and commissioning of the machine, or production technology. These training courses can be held in our factory or at the customer's site. We can also assist with product integration into existing marketing and sales activities, as well as with the deployment of the new software into the existing data processing system. The basic materials used in the production of Krah pipes are polyethylene and polypropylene. These are thermoplastics which are resistant to many chemicals and are very suitable for conveying and storing various liquids. Moreover, the material is abrasion proven and resistant to microorganisms, rodents and termites. Black polyethylene pipes have a permanent resistance to atmospheric corrosion and ultraviolet radiation. Thus the pipes can be used and stored outside without the pipe material being damaged. So far, tests have shown that pipes made from high-density polyethylene have a lifetime of over 100 years. In addition, polyethylene and polypropylene materials are 100% recyclable. For this reason, all waste material can be reused. Practical experience has showed us that it is necessary to offer pipes for all kinds of conditions that are as inexpensive as possible to produce. By using profiled pipes, we can save weight by up to 65% when compared to equivalent solid wall pipes with the same static load carrying capacity. A large variety of different profiles for the design of the pipe wall shape are available. All the different kinds of profiles can be combined in order to meet the requirements for each specific piping project. Krah pipes are manufactured by our extrusion winding process. Compared to similar processes, these profiles offer the user additional security because they are laid exactly over the overlapping seam of the plastic bands, providing higher tensile strength. If requested, all pipes can be delivered either with a bright, inspection-friendly or an electroconductive inner surface made by the co-extrusion process. Whilst of course standard pipe sizes can be used, it is often more efficient to optimize the pipe design according to the project requirements. For the selection of the right pipe and the determination of the profiles, an analysis program named EasyPipe is available. This calculates the pipes according to international standards such as ATV 127A. We have developed a technique that allows up to 4 KR series production lines to be controlled centrally from the main office. All critical drives and sensors are controlled by a central unit and synchronized with one another. Thus the quality remains constant and the training of the machine operators need no longer be so detailed. Furthermore, starting times can be reduced and material can be saved. In terms of manpower, 2 skilled operators per shift are required. To operate the machine, only gas, water, electricity and an air supply are needed. In order to ensure minimum impact on the environment, the water used by the machine is recirculated. Noise and odour levels are minimised and no other contaminants are produced. The extrusion unit is prepared to start the production. The key components are the main extruder and co-extruder, the control system for the complete production unit, the operating terminal, energy supply, the carriage and the rail installation. The production tool is a special collapsible heat-resistant steel core which determines the internal pipe diameter. If requested, a transport cart can be supplied with every production tool. This will extend the life of the tool and guarantees secure storage. The production tool transport system is a crane installation integrated into the plant that has been specially constructed to transport the heavy production tools to the various processing stations. The production tool is loaded, the production tool is placed, and the machine is ready for the start of the production. The production tool is preheated using a gas heating system or an infrared heating element, either system being mounted on the moving extrusion unit. The extrusion unit starts with the production of the pipe. The raw material will be transported by the machine from a storage silo. The majority of the raw material, which is normally black, is melted in the main extruder, whilst a smaller quantity of coloured material is melted in the co-extruder to make the inner surface of the pipe. In the die head, the material flow from the main extruder is divided into 2 streams, one for each of the double dies. In the first die head, the black material from the main extruder will be merged with the yellow material from the co-extruder, resulting in a solid 2-coloured band for the waterway of the pipe. In the other die head, a core tube will be coated in the black material to produce a round profile. These 2 bands are joined together on the heated production tool to produce the pipe. During the manufacturing process, the extrusion unit is moving with specified speed along with the rotating production tool. By closing the material flow of the second die head, a solid socket and spigot can be produced homogeneously. Here, the cooling device is used to reduce the temperature of the pipes whilst permanently rotating them. This process ensures that the pipes cool down without any frozen-in tension. As soon as the pipe has reached the dismantling temperature, the production tool is transported from the cooling station to the milling and cutting station. The pipe ends are milled and cut automatically to the requested length, so it is guaranteed that the pipe ends are precisely manufactured according to the requirements. The pipe is then taken using the production tool transport system from the milling and cutting station to the dismantling station. Once there, the pipe is automatically removed from the production tool whilst this is being collapsed. Now the production tool is ready for a new pipe production, and the completed pipe is automatically transported to the finishing station. The pipe is now, according to its special requirements, technically finished. Here, the quality control for the finished product is carried out and the pipe weighed and packed. As soon as the pipe leaves the finishing station, it is ready to be dispatched. The quality of the pipes and the pipe products is the highest criterion for all development of Krah AG. As the international requirements vary because of the different norms and standards, so there are various test procedures for quality assurance. The whole production process is included in an extensive total quality management system. Minimum specific weight and high impact resistance, even at low temperatures, ensure robust pipes. In the production facilities, the pipes can be easily handled with forklifts. Transport and storage of Krah pipes require less time, space and effort than for other types of pipe available on the market, and is less expensive. More Krah pipes can be stored and transported without any damage. On site, no additional heavy devices are needed. Normally the pipes can be unloaded and transported to the trench by an excavator, which anyway is present on site. The installation of Krah pipes is very easy. After the trench has been prepared in the same way as for all other pipes, the Krah pipe is laid down and aligned. The individual parts are joined with different kinds of jointing techniques. The preferred jointing system is electrofusion welding, which is simple, secure and available even for large diameter pipes. The technique involves a welding wire which is incorporated in the socket end of the pipe. An electric current is passed through the wire with the help of a special welding device called teeny data. This causes the wire to heat up the material of both the socket and the spigot, thus creating a homogeneous and 100% tight bond between the two sections. This reliable and rapid jointing method makes it possible to connect several pipes simultaneously and to install the pipes even in very narrow trenches in a very short time. In addition to our unique integrated electrofusion jointing technique, our pipes can also be produced with jointing techniques such as a rubber sealing or a flange system. Following the welding procedure, a rectangular area around the pipes is covered by filler materials and compressed. Good hydraulic capacities and high flexibility secure the pipe against fracture, especially during earth movements. In addition to the KR series production plant, the customer may need supplementary components and machinery in order to facilitate complete and final production of large diameter pipes. Throughout many years of experience in production, we have solidly built alliances with suppliers worldwide. In addition to a complete delivery of KR series components, we also supply a material supply system, for example, silos, suction units and mixers. In fact, everything that is necessary to handle and transport high-density polyethylene and polypropylene material can be delivered and installed in the customer's facility. Corrugators for the manufacture of the core tubes that are used in the production of profiled pipes. A bending machine for the welding wire necessary for the production of the electrofusion joint. Laboratory equipment to test the pipes produced according to the relevant standards. A recycling machine that can be used to recycle all plastic waste, which can then flow back into the production cycle. A punching machine that allows the manufacture of perforated drainage pipes in order to extend the field of application. A complete fabrication workshop which consists of welding devices, saws, etc. These tools are required to finish the pipes and to make fittings such as manholes, bends, branches and reductions.
So where you can use this superb product? The main application is sewage and drainage, followed by outflow pipelines, ventilation system, storage tanks and of course relining of existing pipelines. The main advantage is on one hand the complete pipe system including all kinds of fittings they are needed to complete the pipe system, lightweight, the resistance against chemicals and abrasion, the jointing technology, especially our electrofusion joint, and of course the very cost effective compared to other pipe materials. So let's go into detail.
For more than 25 years, people have been trying to develop a pipe system made of polyethylene or polypropylene in large diameters. The main aim of this development was to create a new, unique, watertight pipe system in order to replace or reline other existing pipe systems made of weak materials. The winding process-based technology developed by Krah AG for large diameter pipes has finally come of age.